The Samsung Galaxy A18 5G positions itself as a compelling option in the budget to mid-range segment, offering a combination of endurance, performance, and practicality that appeals to a wide range of users. Its enormous 7,000 mAh battery is one of the phone's biggest highlights, easily delivering up to 2 days of usage on a single charge for most users, whether you're streaming videos, scrolling through social media, or gaming on the go. When it's time to recharge, the 45W fast charging support ensures significantly reduced downtime, allowing users to get hours of power back in just a short charging session. At the heart of the device is the Snapdragon 4 Gen 3 processor, an efficient chipset built to handle daily tasks smoothly, from browsing and messaging to multitasking between multiple apps. Paired with an impressive 16 GB of RAM, the phone can keep many applications running in the background without slowing down, offering a fluid and responsive experience. The generous 256 GB of internal storage provides plenty of room for apps, photos, videos, and files, making it ideal for users who like to store a lot of content on their device. For photography, the 50MP main camera allows users to capture sharp, vibrant images with good detail in both daylight and challenging lighting conditions, while also supporting features like portrait mode and AI enhancements for better-looking shots. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A18 5G feels like a well-balanced smartphone that delivers exceptional battery life, strong multitasking capabilities, and reliable performance, making it a smart choice for anyone looking for maximum value in a modern 5G device.